Welcome to Tally Help Videos. In this video, you will understand how to print the previous and current balances of a party in a sales invoice in TallyPrime. Printing previous and current balances in sales invoices ensures that your customers are informed about the outstanding amount. It aids the cash flow as the customers tend to clear dues sooner. In addition to that, the customers can compare the balances in the sales invoice and in their own books. This significantly helps to address discrepancies, if any, and reconcile the transactions. Now, consider that you want to print this sales invoice with the previous and current balances. Press Ctrl+P. Now, press C to configure the sales invoice. Set Show Previous and Current Balances of Ledger as Yes. Press Ctrl+A to save the print configuration. Press I to preview the invoice before printing. The previous and current balances appear on the sales invoice. Now, press Escape and then you can press P to print the invoice. As you saw, you can easily print a sales invoice with the previous and current balances of a party in TallyPrime. This helps you enhance customer communication and manage your cash flow effectively.